Hello, I just want to make a quick update about Youtubomatic. I added a new cool feature to it. As you might know, it had the feature already to automatically upload YouTube videos that are embedded in published post content to your WordPress, to your YouTube channel. So any videos that were uploaded to your posts embedded in them were uploaded or automatically to your YouTube channel. So I've added a new feature, replace all YouTube videos with uploaded video URL in content. This will replace the embedded video from the post content with the newly uploaded one from your channel. So let's have a demo of this, a real quick demo of this. Let's create a new post. Let's copy a test video from YouTube. As you can see, it is from a random channel that I just selected, and let's hit publish. Now it is uploaded to my YouTube channel automatically, and as you can see, it is already replaced with a new video. If we refresh up my channel, it is processed. It is now uploading and processing, and if we go to the published video, it is the new video that is processing right here. So now when the processing is complete, we should refresh this and see the uploaded test video. Also, it is playable. Okay, so that's all. I hope you will enjoy this new feature. Until next time, bye bye.